Don't invest before watching this. Have you ever thought, maybe it's finally time to start investing? That's a great decision, but here's the problem. Most beginners don't lose money because investing is bad. They lose money because they make mistakes they didn't even know they were making. And the worst part? Most of these mistakes are completely avoidable. So before you invest your first dollar, watch this video. Because today, we're covering the 7 biggest investing mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, investing without an emergency fund. The first mistake happens before people even invest. They skip building an emergency fund. Imagine investing all your savings, then your car breaks down, or you lose your job, or an unexpected medical bill appears. Now you have no choice but to sell your investments. Maybe the market is down. Maybe you sell at a loss. Not because your investment was bad, but because life happened. Investing should grow your money, not replace your financial safety net. Build your emergency fund first, then invest with confidence. Mistake number 2, chasing quick money. We've all seen the headlines. This stock doubled overnight. This cryptocurrency made people millionaires. Everyone is buying this investment. The fear of missing out can be powerful, but investing because everyone else is excited isn't investing. It's gambling on someone else's opinion. By the time most beginners hear about a hot investment, the biggest gains have often already happened. Successful investors don't chase excitement, they chase good decisions. Mistake number 3, trying to time the market. Many beginners tell themselves, I'll invest when prices drop. Then prices rise, so they wait. Then prices rise again. Months pass, sometimes years. Instead of growing their money, they're waiting for the perfect opportunity. Here's the truth. Nobody consistently predicts the market. Not professionals, not experts, not influencers. Time in the market usually beats trying to time the market. Starting consistently matters more than starting perfectly. Mistake number 4, investing money you'll need soon. Investing is for your future, not next month's rent, not next semester's tuition, not next week's bills. Markets move up, and markets move down. If you need your money in the near future, a temporary decline could force you to sell at the worst possible time. Only invest money you can afford to leave untouched for years. Give your investments time to work. Mistake number 5, putting everything in one investment. Some beginners put everything into one company, or one cryptocurrency, or one can't-lose investment. But every investment carries risk. Even great companies can struggle. Diversification doesn't guarantee profits, but it helps reduce unnecessary risk. Think of your investments like building a team. You don't want your entire future depending on one player. Mistake number 6, letting emotions make decisions. This is where many investors lose money. When prices go up, they feel excited, so they buy. When prices fall, they panic, so they sell. Unfortunately, they're buying high and selling low. Successful investing isn't about controlling the market. It's about controlling yourself. A good plan should make your decisions, not your emotions. Mistake number 7, expecting instant results. Many beginners think investing should make them rich within months. That's not how wealth is usually built. Real investing is surprisingly boring. You invest consistently. You stay patient. You ignore short-term noise. Then something incredible happens. Time begins working for you. Your returns start generating more returns. That's the power of compounding. The biggest advantage isn't finding the perfect investment. It's giving your investments enough time to grow. Now it's time to put it all together. Remember this, most successful investors aren't the smartest. They simply avoid the mistakes that cause other people to quit. So before you focus on making more money, focus on making fewer mistakes. Because every smart investing decision today makes your future a little stronger. Now I want to hear from you. Which investing mistake do you think is the most dangerous for beginners? Tell me in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical lessons on money, mindset, and building real wealth. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.